My heatless beach waves. I start by scrunching Davines Love Curl Cream and Mousse on damp hair, then air dry 95%. Once almost dry, I do 2 inverted braids just behind my ears. These do not have to be perfect. After completing the braids, I will sleep on them. Wake up the next morning, undo your braids, and shake it. I also like to use my Tangle Teezer to gently brush over just a few pieces to fluff them out while still leaving texture. I then finish by spraying Davines Stronghold Hairspray, and there you have it, heatless beach waves.